Okay, first of all, tell us something about this new launch.
This new launch is about changing the entire perspective of businesses and the solutions which are there for customers at the very base or entry level portfolio offering of HP in the DesignJet space. What we are changing is we are changing the entire platform of the earlier variants of 111s and 500s and 510s to all new HP DesignJet ePrint and Share enabled platform, which is going to give the conveniences and all the workflow advantages of cloud enabled printing solutions, along with the Wi-Fi's, along with tray printing options, and we are looking at opening up a lot of newer customer verticals, attaching students out of colleges of architecture, looking at freelancers, looking at SOHO segment people, to look at printing options wherein they don't need to have two devices to print, a separate A4, A3 device and a separate A1, A0 device. So we are converging a platform where these devices would give them a spectrum to print between A4, A3, A1s and A0s from a same device.
Okay, what would be the price of these printers, and when it would be available to users?
The price tag, as I mentioned, are going to be specific price tags are going to be a part of the press release, but the entry level device is going to be around 80,000 rupees, which is 120 24 inches. We have 520 into two variants. There is a 24 inch and there is a 36 inches variant out there. The 24 inches variant is going to be around 1.6 lakhs, and the 36 inches variant is going to be around 2.2 lakh rupees. For availability, I think we are looking forward that India sales is going to start for these machines last week of November or beginning of December 2012.
Okay, which category of users are you targeting with these printers?
We are going beyond. Technically, these machines are in the categorization when we look at it classified under technical segment, which means we would ideally look at people who are into the architect, engineering and construction domains. But as we shared, we are going beyond these three verticals and we are looking at people who are into creative designing. We are looking at people who are into freelancing for architects. We are looking into people who are out of the students and as I mentioned, the architectural colleges students out there. So we're looking at newer revenues for people out there, as in people who are getting jobs done from repro houses and copy shops would be the kind of customers who can look at value adding to their customers and their own profits by doing end-to-end services to their clients using a platform what we are enabling.
What kind of innovative sales and marketing strategies HP is planning to boost its market share with these products?
It's about making people more and more aware about what this technology can do, how they can use it, how they can leverage the impact of this technology in terms of savings which they can bring to their organization. Statistics prove that people waste around 25% of their productive time in a week in terms of document management and document related challenges, where documents are only available in various files and folders, not onto the cloud platform. So I think that's what we are trying to bring in onto the forefront out there for users, and that's going to bring in more of efficiencies out there for the workflows what they are currently integrated with.
These days, numerous companies are betting big on social media marketing. I mean, how HP is planning to use this media? Um,
HP is looking at going really aggressive with all the support which we get on social networking. The reason being this is very well substantiated when you have got customer vocals out there. And we are looking at early adopters, and that's going to be one of our prime strategies to start with. Besides, we are looking forward to have bloggers out there wherein we are able to create a technological awareness and an aptitude for our customers to really experience what HP DesignJet ePrint and Share is all about. Top of it, I think since this is a technology which is available free of cost, downloadable from our website, we look forward that we broadcast it as much as possible and let people experience what this technology